Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing levels, good. Oh Lord, dude. I think OBS freaking did some type of update without me. Got my shit acting all wonky. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing levels. Audio sounds good. CPI data came in cool, did it? Oh yeah, ripping past all that. I mean, hey, I was right. All right. What did I say? We trade within a range from 437 to 444. Wait, where is it? Yeah, 437 to 444. We're gapping down Monday morning. I said we're gonna bounce off this double bottom and trend to the top of the range, and who knows what happens when we get up here to the top. Looks like we freaking ripped right past it. I'll get rid of these levels for now. Well, see, this is the problem. I mean, damn. We're still kind of high up there, bro. Look, we came down here and hit this double bottom right here, bro. And it stopped us from dumping all the way. Right there, about 445 and change. What it's looking like to me. So I feel like now if we come down here and test that right now, like on our way down, let me see, anticipating the breakdown to 445.18. So the 445 puts maybe. Oh, let's see, dude. Freaking gapped up, trended up, topped out for an extended period of time up here, and then like started fading basically. I mean, if there's any time to fade, it's gonna be now, dog. Like, just keep it real with you. Right now, if you're gonna fade at any point, probably be right around now. Looking at those 445 puts, what they looking like? Whoa. Try a couple of those. All right. Anticipate this breakdown of this 445. Look, bomb, dead cat bounce. I doubt that's a liquidity grab. That's a deep ass liquidity grab. If it is, I feel like we fade if anything. I mean, I'll try a couple of them. Let me get filled. Can I get filled? Fill me. Fill me. What are they trading at? 53 cents, 54 cents. Yeah. Bro, can I please get filled? My limit's at. Like, dude. I want to get filled now. I want to get filled now, dude, before we start running too much. Come on, man. I missed my fucking fill. Damn it. Look, the 445s, dude. The 445 puts. I'm trying to anticipate this breakdown. Let me in.
Order partially filled.
What?
Order filled.
God, bro, like,
Order partially filled.
What happened? I think I just got filled like 3 times, dude. Or I think I got double filled. Alright. I mean, look, dude, we're about to crack this, like, it's the same level as over here, look. Look, coming down, let's crack it and ride it back down. Know what I mean? That's, had to take a guess here. Oh, what's my... Oh man, my shit's all moved around, dude. I hate when OBS does updates without without me knowing about it. Cause then everything's all messed up. Bruh, they freaking, dude, they freaking filled me 4 times basically. You heard that shit? Order filled, order partially filled, order filled, order partially filled. I don't have enough. How do you run out of space? What the fuck? Oh, and like these transition overrides, I'm about to just turn them into fades. All right. So basically, yeah, look, 1, 2, 3, looking like we might get a little power of threes action. Third time we come down here and crack this and start heading back down is my guess. I mean, yeah, look, the Q's already, I mean, leading the way here. Look, the Q's already broke down past that whatever this level is that we kind of bounced off of VWAP right here. Look, the Q's already broke down past it. So you can, I see obviously tech's weaker. Oh, look, just the move I was just talking about. Power of threes. 1, 2, 3, crack. Let's go, baby. All right, jumping right into markets and getting up, dog. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, honestly, I don't feel good about it though because I actually got double filled. Like, so instead of buying the normal amount of contracts, I got twice as many. But I mean, shit, right now, I can go ahead and take profits. That move worked that fast. What we don't want to do is a fake out liquidity grab right here. Yeah, we broke down past this level. Look, 445.18. You've seen us coming down here to test it, the triple bottom. We did actually crack it, but we don't want it to be a fake out because look, we faked out here too. We came down to 445.02 and bounced. So now I'm looking at this like a key level. Like we need to it's like I mean I'm already up on the position. Like I caught the move, like the breakdown of that fast. But you see, like we're bouncing down here, bro. Right on 445. Look, let's see if it has enough strength to at least bounce up and test the last resistance or whatever. Oh, it's looking like it does. Damn, I think they just liquidity grabbed me, dog. Look at that. Came down, faked me out. But see, that's my fault. Because I should have been ready to exit right here. But instead they filled me on all these different damn positions. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to exit. I missed a freaking exit right here and right here. Hopefully I didn't just get smoked, bro. Because it's looking like that's a strong possibility. Look, we came at 1, 2, 3, crack. But they immediately came back in right at 445 and bought the dip. But what I'm seeing is success in the S triple Q steadily looking like it wants to grind up. You feel me? It's like putting in higher. Actually, I'm streaming. I could show you. Look, Palantir dumping just went backside. You got the S triple Q, success going to the upside. AMD fading, AI fading. Look, you got the Russell fading. Like, oh my god, like, something's fucked up with my audio, like with my transitions. Look, this thing's fading. I mean, some confirmation would be here if the Russells come down here and crack this double bottom. But I mean, look, the S&P 500 already did it. I mean, really, I'm trading the SPY, so all I care about is the S&P 500. If I'm being honest, it's just the plus that the Qs are looking weak. Now, I'm also watching the SPY like on the 15-minute. And let's just go over here real quick. And as you can see, Meta basically topped out. So did Nvidia, and we've just been fading ever since. All right, look, this thing's looking like it wants to break down. Oh my god. Hey, bro, I don't want any stinger transitions anymore. Jeez. God. But yeah, S&P 500. I'm watching the SPY on the 15-minute, and it's like at a crucial inflection point. Here, I'll show you real quick. So look, we came up here, tested the top, which is looking like 447.28, topped out up against it, and now we came back down, and we're trying to hold this level that we bounced off of, or held this support earlier, or started our uptrend off of. We're trying to hold this level right now. Damn, bro, like they look, they liquidity grabbed my ass like a bit. Like the move happened so fast that like I wasn't even prepared for it. I didn't think it was gonna work that fast. You feel me? But I don't like what this is looking like now, because look, 1, 2, 3, consolidate, and then bounce. You feel me? Dude, like I was up decent because I forgot where I executed the I think I executed the trade right here, and then we immediately cracked the 9 and dumped all the way down here. And I could have got out right there. I was having some technical difficulties. And let's go ahead and watch this thing. I mean, we're going into this lunchtime dead time, which is always scary when you're trying to fade the market, because you can grind up on like low volume and shit, bro. I've seen it happen. You're like, damn, like who? Like, do people go on lunch break? Do the big boys go on lunch break or not? And I guess they do, because like I've seen the market like grind up by a decent amount, like on low volume, like around this time. So it's scary. I also seen the market fade like during lunchtime, bro. So it could go either way here. But I mean, we gapped up from down here, 443.50s. So I'm assuming the bottom of the range is here, and we're in the middle now. I mean, it would have been nice to catch a fade from up here. I mean, I did recognize this this power of threes here, and that the crack was imminent. And I was watching the market earlier and seeing how bullish we were. And I basically knew it was a matter of time before like we eventually top out and start reversing, dude, because it's unsustainable. Like we just been straight ripping to the upside. But like right now, like on the low of day, like my shits are deep in the money. Like I've already got a bigger size than I wanted to, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and lock in profits, if you don't mind. What are they? The 445s? Oh, they're going up. Yeah, the 445 puts. Dude, they're going up. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Up 16% on those things. Just that quick, dude. I'm about, hey, see profit, take profit, dude.
Order filled.
I'm out. You feel me? Like, I ain't falling into that trap again, dude. Bro, I didn't want that many contracts. I got lucky on that. Oh shit, I'm on the wrong chart. Yeah, I didn't want that many contracts, bro. Like usually when that happens and you make a fat fingered mistake like that, you immediately want to go ahead and close the trade out. Because now you're trading with risk that you're not that you weren't like more risk than you would have liked. And yeah, sometimes you get lucky, it goes in your favor, but that is not a repeatable strategy. Therefore, you shouldn't do it. Look at that, bro. Like, damn, like I jumped right in and seen that shit in 5 minutes. Look, that triple bottom. I mean, it's obvious too. Look, we just ripped off the freaking number print at 8:30, and you got people jumping on the bandwagon, especially when we pushed up, put in this higher low, and kept running. But then look, if you just watch it, we're topping out for like 30 minutes. No, for an hour. Because these are 5 minute candles, so I don't know, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. About 45 minutes we're topping out and refusing to go higher at this 447.25s. So it's a matter of time before we actually hit it, reject, and start fading. Now, if I could have just got to the market a little bit earlier, I would have been fading them 447 puts. But still decent profit. Because even though I only caught this little bit of move right here, like where did I catch it? I was trying to get filled like right around here. I tried to get filled here, anticipating the breakdown. I didn't get filled. We bounced up, and then I got like quadruple filled somehow, right? And then right after that, we just dumped and cracked. And then I thought it was a liquidity grab, but it wasn't. It just bounced up, and now we're just seeing weakness. It's basically inverse higher lows. So this would be your support. This would be your inverse higher low. Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. And you can see like we're just stepping down. But I'm going to say this 445.18 is a key level right now for me. Meaning if we break back above it, we could see some more running to the upside. If we fail to break back above it, more fading in the future, especially as we're rejecting off of that key level and the 9 EMA at the same time. I'll be looking to fade those 445s again, depending on what the market does here. You see? So like, as long as the S&P 500 can't get back above this level, this 44, 67, 60s or whatever, basically where we gapped up to and then just bounced off of, like we've faded and broke down and given that level up to now in order to take a long. I mean, the risk to reward, I don't know, because we're in this gap fill zone. So are we going to gap fill back down or what? But I feel like if we can break back above this, I mean, you could take a long position. But dude, after this fade right here, and after us just gapping up off of CPI data, the CPI data moves the market like intraday, but you know what I mean? After it's all said and done, like whatever trend that was there is going to remain there unless we get some mind boggling data that no one's expecting. You feel me? But like, dude, it doesn't really. Let me see what Nvidia is doing. Nvidia, see, look. Now, Nvidia, on the other hand, when it was fading, look what it did. It faded to a certain point, but then came down here and held this level that we freaking ripped up to and then rejected off of. This 432.70s came down here, consolidated, and now it's looking like it wants to try to start trending up. And tech has been weaker today. So you possibly could see tech wake up, but now that I'm seeing the S&P 500 and the SPY looking weak, I wouldn't really trust it. You see, look, it's like the inverse higher lows, bro. Look, let me see something. So look, that'd be your support, and then we just basically bounced off of it and been running up. Then you got one right here, and now this level right here is going to be the next higher low, inverse higher low. If we can't even bounce back up to it, that makes it even weaker. And look, you got the Russell index coming down here about to look 1, 2, 3, about to crack another power of threes on the Russell maybe right now to the downside. And you can see that is a level there. What is it? 190, 150 or so. Like almost like a triple bottom. Oh, triple bottom right here. 1, 2, 3. So, and then we got another one here. 1, 2, 3. Actually, 1, 2, 3. Crack. So this thing looking like it's about to crack. I mean, either we bounce or we crack. And it's looking like we crack. Feel me? Let's watch the overall market. See, and you can see how we faded down. And look, we're trying to hold this support, but we broke down. Look, we broke it. But the real level right here is 445. Damn, boy. Like, I was surgical right there. You seen that, boy? Like, I jumped right into markets, and within 5 minutes, bro, I was in and out of a trade. Made about 17% on it. You feel me? That's decent. Like, I'm not trying to hit home runs. I'm not gonna lie to you. You feel me? Like, I'm happy with it with a couple $100 a day. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like, you know what I mean? Like, $400-500 a day is fine for me, bro. Because I you know what I'm saying? I got other side hustles too. And it's gonna compound over time. I came up with a little plan. And my plan is basically to just keep trading and keep pursuing a repeatable process. Hey, look, it's looking like we might be able to bounce here. To make sure it's not a fake out. But look, see, we came down here, did the fake out breakdown, and now they bought it right off of that 445. We're going up to the top. I mean, 446 calls? 446 calls? How much are they? Oh, I was trading the expiration from today. Dude. Damn, I didn't even know that, bro. I got off. Usually I don't like to trade um 0 DTE contracts, you know, once we get to lunchtime and shit, like I just go out to the next day because they're losing too much value. Look, it's looking like we're about to grip back up to the upside. Look at this. Those 446 puts, I meant calls. How much are they? I mean, should I try one? I mean, honestly, I feel like I could be done for the day, bro, already, bro. But look, I mean, obvious. Was this whole thing a liquidity grab? Holy shit, dude! I made some good gains on the liquidity grab just now. Them 446 calls are looking decent right now, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Okay, them 446 calls, bro. Where they at? Let me get one. Let me get a couple. Look at a couple of them things. Hold up. Hold up. Don't take off without me. How much are they? The 446s? They're 53 cents for today's expiration. Get me in.
Order filled.
All right. Oh, Lord. Damn, did I get faked out just now? Did I get faked out? Where's my price target? Right here. Where's my price target at? Because I ain't playing with it today, bro. I'm like, see profit, take profit. Like, it's too stressful. It's too stressful to stick around in a trade, especially when you can just take the profits off the table and move on to the next one. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure this is set up for a market order so I can get out, like, no matter what the hell's going on. But I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've been trying to hold these levels down here. It's really 445 is looking like the major level, but I'm also seeing a full 45.18 here. So, I mean, we're basically bouncing off of two levels. We're consolidating off of two little levels intraday. Oh, I don't like that weakness right there. I don't like that weakness. I mean, honestly, if I'm being honest with you, the entry wasn't that good because if I'm taking profits here, that means if you're taking profits because you faded, that means you're near support. Okay? And if you're near support, that's where you should be buying the dip at. So I mean, I wasn't fast enough to take profits and then flip long that fast. I needed to see some price action first. And you know, once I seen that proof of concept, we're already trending up here. So my entry wasn't as good. The best entry would be down here at this 445.18 or 445.01. But I mean, that bullishness right there uh, is a little exciting. It seems like they started winding it down going into lunchtime. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'll stop out quick now. I ain't giving no money back. I'll stop out freaking quick as hell, dude. If we break down the 9 EMA, I'm stopping out, dude. All right, not the 9 EMA, but I'll give it a chance to come down here and test this level. But if we start breaking down this level and then back over here, like I'm out. And right now, I don't like the way that price action's looking, bro. But like, what was all this? We freaking dumped, and we've been trading sideways here. Maybe, and I guess you could say the Qs are trading in a range right now. Oh, look, they're dumping a little too hard for my liking, dude. Not gonna lie. So we're trading in a range. Let's see if the Qs can hold 371. It's looking like they want to. Right here, see how we're bouncing off 371? Decent little bounce right there, wicking to the upside. Look at that wick down there. But the lower low got put in. All right, this is crucial. The Qs need to hold 371 if we are going to see any type of reversal back to the upside. All right, we're holding it, breaking past the 9 EMA. Okay. All right. All right. And keep in mind, I'm trading the SPY, but I mean the Q, like I was watching the market and tech was looking a lot weaker than the S&P 500. So basically, I feel like the only thing holding the market back was tech. But now if tech starts bouncing and everything starts cooperating, oh Lord, did you see that jerk to the downside? What just happened right there, bro? Oh, we were bouncing and they just freaking dumped on that thing, dog. We were like bouncing way up here and they just freaking yoked it to the downside, bro. Let's see what the Qs are doing. Yeah, the Qs got dumped on too. All right, but look, they're trying to make it crack 371. Qs are holding 371, bro. Look at this. Qs ain't trying to give up 371. If the Qs are able to hold 371 and especially break above the 9 EMA and then come up here and get over this 371.50s, we will start trending back up to the upside. And you have to say the risk to reward is better for buying the dip down here where we like held the support, triple bottomed, held support here and consolidated for a couple hours damn near. No, I wouldn't say a couple hours because these are 1 minute candles, but about 30 minutes. We've just been consolidating in this range. So the longer we consolidate and don't break down this little area right here, the more of a chance we have to start trending back up. Let's see what's going on here. And it's looking like 445.18 on the SPY is looking like a key level. And then obviously 445 flat is going to be a major psychological level. But again, if you zoom back over, it's looking like both of them. 445.20 and then 445 flat. But like I don't like we're starting to like dump here. Like I'll give it a chance. But dude, if we come down here and start cracking past this and this, I'm just gonna stop out and then flip back bearish. I don't have a bias, bro. Like I just let the chart tell me what to do. The price action. But dude, when you have a bias, uh, it just it boxes you in, bro. Because then it's about being right or wrong and all that shit. We don't care who's right or wrong, bro. We're just trying to extract capital out of the stock market. That's it. I don't care. I don't. I'll be wrong. I'll be wrong every time if it. You know what I'm saying? If it means I can extract capital out of the markets every day. So it's not about being right or wrong. And then when you introduce your bias into it, uh, then you're basically like, I mean, and now you can flip your bias too. Like I do that all the time. But if you're gonna be flipping your bias, then you might as well not have one. You might as well just uh just watch the price action and trade accordingly. You feel me? If you're gonna if you're gonna be flipping your bias around, if you are even able to do that. I mean, it was hard for me to do that shit because obviously when you first start trading, you're an investor, and you're just focusing on buying low and selling high, basically, just buying dips and swing trading and stuff. So that's the first thing you learn when you're trading and investing: buy low, sell high, swing trade, about the dip. You know what I mean? So then when I finally was forced to learn how to make money different ways, not just when the market's bullish. And then I started actually fading rips and stuff, and that took some time. And then it takes even more time to be able to flip your bias on the fly like that. It just all comes with time, I guess, bro. Like, again, screen time equals green time. Hashtag screen time equals green time. Remember, you heard it here first, bro. I don't like how the S&P 500 is chopping around under this level that we bounced off of earlier. It's making me nervous. Because look, like we're playing around down here, but there's nothing but a gap in here. Yeah, I realize there's price action. I mean, not really, dude. Like, yeah, if we start looking weak, we could gap fill. Actually, where's that? Where would be the cutoff? Or you just have to get out the way? I say it'd have to be like 44, 64, 95, or I mean, no, there's a rounder number there, but I'd say 44, 66, 27, or 25. Look, we're bouncing. So like if we can get back above all this chop right here, now here's another test. How high can we bounce up? Can we bounce up high enough to even test this previous resistance? Or a previous resistance? I guess we're testing one right here. Right here, see where we came up, flatlined, and then rejected. I guess that's the level that we're trying to test right now. Looks like we're breaking past it. And these are just intraday levels, but like there's nothing but a gap in here, bro. I'm scared of that gap. But look, the Russell, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bounce. So I mean, the Russell 2000 is clearly holding this 191.60s as support. I mean, we've like quad bottomed off of it, and now we're getting pushed to the upside. Let's see if the Russell's still leading, because if it is, then that means I'm decent. Look, see, now we're breaking past this level. That's the first little hurdle, I say, towards the trend to the upside. I mean, we haven't broken past it yet, It's 44.6830s. Look, we're wicking off of it. And then you got the 9 EMA, the short term we're trying to hold right now, while at the same time, like trying to reject this 44.6830s, but looking like we want to push past it. Because look, higher low, higher low, higher low, pop, just put in another higher low. Now we just need this candle to go ahead and break above this chop right here, this 44.6830s. And look, we see a little weakness. You see a little weakness on the Russell, but the Russell it looks like they're buying it. See this wick on the bottom? So they're buying it. Let's see if this thing's leading. Looks like it is. Looks like it is. Look, wicking to the upside off that 9 EMA, and now you see the S&P 500 wicking to the upside off that 44.6760s. All right, so we just need to keep riding a little bit here. And then look, see, now you got Meta and Nvidia. Looks like they pushed up, pulled back, never broke down. See, the Qs never broke down that previous level. You know what I'm saying? So now this thing just needs to cross above VWAP, basically. Meta's already above VWAP. It looks like they're selling into it again, and they just started dumping on the market. Look at this. Damn. They're dumping. But bro, we gotta look at this from a logical standpoint. What's more likely? Do we hold the support and keep trending up, go up and test the top of the range, possibly put in a new high, or does this fade have enough momentum for us to just break down and fade and gap fill on the S&P 500? I don't know. This is looking weird right here. I'm on the wrong chart. My bad. I don't know. So yeah, what's more logical? That we keep fading and break down this level and freaking fill in this CPI data. You feel me? This external event affecting price that just pushed us up, or does logic come in the market and we start fading like we did, and then ultimately break down and give some of this back? Now, obviously, I'm hoping that we bounce right here. Because I already made money on the way down, and I made money on the way up. Right here, I just didn't get out because like we're not breaking down these levels yet. I feel like there's two supports down here. Carvana up at $40 right now, bro. I've been saying, have I been talking about Carvana for freaking months or what? Like, damn, bro. Damn, y'all don't listen, bro. I've been saying that shit. I've been saying Carvana been squeezing. What just happened? I've been saying Carvana been squeezing for the longest. I just lost a bunch of my charts. Hold up. Where they at? Where they at? Where's my charts? Why is the S&P 500 all the way over there now? Oh, that was weird. All my charts. Oh, we're ripping to the. Oh, that's Carvana. IWM is not supposed to be over there. And what was I watching? I was watching the SPY on a higher time frame. Where the fuck is it? Where's my SPY chart? Like, what the fuck? Like, dude, that shit just threw me off like big time, bro. Like all my stuff's just got moved around to a different monitor. The hell just happened here? But look, bro, I've been saying Carvana has been squeezing for months, dude. Look at this thing. You don't tell me that thing ain't been squeezing, bro? Come on, dog. From $7 up to fucking $40.50. You crazy, man? Like they're playing around with it. And honestly, look, you seen Carvana spike into the upside. That's rotation game. Look, Carvana spike into the upside. Capital's rotating out of the overall market into spec plays. Look at this thing, dude. Bro. Carvana's been squeezing, but it's like that. The question is, at this point, look, we're ripping more, dude. Oh man, I might want to give me some Carvana here, bro. Let me see, what the 41 calls? 41 calls expensive. I mean, it ain't that expensive. They're about $200 each. Hold on, let me go back and check my core position. Okay. You see the SPY trying to bounce and rip to the upside? Oh, thanks for the follow, dog. Hey, y'all know I'm doing that special promotion, right? Where you get that watch list for free, bro. All you gotta do is sub to my channels, to my YouTube and to my Rumble. Go ahead and sub, and then just comment that you subbed or followed, and then I'm gonna send you the link for my Discord, where I'm gonna post a watch list. Like the problem is I lost access to my because I had two Discords. I got one for gaming and one for finance and shit. And but I for some reason I can't gain access to my finance Discord anymore. But I still have the gaming one, so I just made a new like channel in the Discord where I'm gonna be posting the watch list and the morning briefings. And hold on, it's getting hot in here, dude. Like this GPU is like a little heater. So give me 1 second. Matter of fact. See right here is where I need to move my webcam over. Where we can watch all 4 charts and the tape and the level 2 of whatever I'm trading at the time. You can get some info off that tape and that level 2, bro. Like for instance, if we start dumping or we start bouncing and you see the freaking tape start speeding up and you see a bunch of green prints, then you know the move's working. Might not be working for you, but it's working for someone. The downside or the upside. And bro, the longer we consolidate down here like this, oh, I'm on the wrong side, dude. I'm gonna make a whole new scene for that. So, but look, the longer we consolidate down here like this, bro, the more of a chance we have to rip back up to the top of the range. So, like again, down here at support is where you want to be going long at. Not after we get up here and break above 446 and you got VWAP in the 120 right here looking like resistance. After that, it's too late. You feel me? Because like half the move's gone. The move is from down here going up. The move doesn't start here. You know what I'm saying? Or here, even if we break above 446, like you got VWAP and the 120 right here. So like, I mean, if you're really on point and firing on all cylinders, like well rested and shit, really like you're supposed to be whenever you trade, I mean, it'd be obvious. You fade at resistance, and where you take profits at, if you had good execution, that's actually where you want to flip long at. You know what I mean? It's the same thing. You fade or short at resistance, and you buy the dip or go long at support. And it just goes to show you, like, even if you did have a bias, bullish or bearish, all you had to do was basically wait for price to get to your level and then execute. But it's just like, if you're not in the swing trade from the day before, I mean, who's buying the dip right off the open? And this isn't even the open. This is the CPI data print pop right here. So you would have had to been trading pre-market. And then right here, look, once the market opens, yeah, we grind up a little bit more, but then we topped out and faded. But I mean, the longer we consolidate down here in this range, and especially don't break down this level, the more of a chance we have of heading back to the upside. Let's hold the 9 EMA here. All right, they're buying it off the 9 EMA about 445.50s. That's probably a little psychological level there. Right there. And you can see a little price reacting to it. But we're not even testing that right now. We're actually trying to hold a 9 EMA and bounce. I mean, that was a nice little uptrend. So you would expect a healthy pullback. We just don't want to pull back too far, specifically past the 9 EMA. And now we want to go ahead and push up past this. 445.75 and then 446. And then that's my price target. $445.75 and then 446. Look, 445. We came down here and bounced. All right. Came up, rejected off 445.76, faded, maintained a higher low, rejected again, then bounced, and now we're pushing up to the upside, and my trizzies are in the mizzy. Trizzies are in the money, baby. Let's go. I don't want to be too greedy, but let's see if we can come out. Let's see if we can come up here and crack this 446 real quick. If we can crack 446, actually my price target's 446. But if we can crack 446, I'll definitely be probably looking to take profits around VWAP and the 120. See profits, take profits, bro. Like, even right now, I see profits. I probably should take them. But let's give the trade a little bit more time to work. Let's see what the rest of the market's doing. I mean, you can clearly see from the S&P 500 that kind of looking just like the SPY, consolidating down here, now pushing up. All right. And then, I mean, if you look at the SPY on the 15-minute, you can clearly see what's going on. Also, this Russell ETF is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one we bounce and go back up towards the upside. Look, you can see this thing's pushing up here, which is bullish. Okay. Okay. Also, we have Nvidia participating in this little uptrend, and also Meta. What have I been saying? Meta to 300. I've been saying it for months, bro. For months. Especially ever since we had that earnings beat and we popped. Right then I knew Meta was going to 300. All right, so look, we got this thing right here with this quad bottom trending up now. Let's see if we can break above VWAP. And look, the S&P 500 is having trouble with this little level right here we rejected off of last time. Let's get rid of all this. Actually, we broke above that 44.7260s. We've 65. We've actually broken above it. So now you just want to see this thing consolidate on or above this level and not reject it. It's looking like it wants to hold it. It's looking like it wants to hold it. But look, we got the Russell rejecting VWAP. Crucial right here, crucial. Because look, this is the same level we bounced off of and we rejected off of. So that is a significant level, intraday level, but it is significant because look, we faded, bounced, came down here, cracked it, tried to bounce, it acted as resistance. Now we've come up here to test it again. It looks like we've actually broken above it. We're trying to consolidate. All right, it's trying to break back down, but I mean that can be considered consolidation as long as we don't break back down too much, specifically past the 9 EMA. And look, you got the Russell pushing back up, trying to cross over VWAP right now. This thing's been leading. I do see weakness coming back in tech, like Meta starting to fade a little bit. Oh shit, look, S&P 500 clearly breaking above that 44.7265 and trying to push up. We've consolidated on it for about 5 minutes. Time to take the next leg higher with Meta bouncing. Nvidia is looking like it is trying to bounce as well, but Meta's definitely bouncing. You got the Russell pushing past VWAP, this thing above this level, trending up. And then look at the SPY. What are we? All right, so I made a quick 15% on my first trade, and now I'm up 2.5% on my second trade. Look, it's all good though because look at this push. You would expect some type of healthy pullback. We just don't want to pull back too far. Again, it'd be better if we could hold a 9 or not even pull back to it. All right, we're pulling back to the 9, but really the real level that we need to hold right now is 445.75 right here. This is the major level we need to hold right now. Look, we're consolidating above it. That's good. I just don't like this dump right here. And you see this wick? Looking like it wants to break down here. It's looking like it wants to break down here. Keep in mind, I could go ahead and take profits here. Let's give it a little bit more time to work. What we got over here? Look, Palantir freaking, look at that triple top. Damn, that was a nice technical little play right there. See that? 1, 2, 3, reject. That's the power of threes I was talking about. Whoever was asking me the other day, what am I talking about with the power of threes? Right there, look, 1, 2, 3, reject. And look, you catch that fade from here to there with a decent amount of size. You feel me? You're Gucci. What I don't like is look, S triple Q faded to a certain point, came down here and bounced. So that means the market's fading right now. Success topped out, came down to a certain point, and bounced. 950s. And you can see that's clearly a level. Look, dumped, held it as support, chopped around it, broke down, it was holding as support, then resistance, now support, now it's holding it as support. So in order to see the market actually take the next leg higher, you want to see SOX and the SQQQ break down this level. There's 1850s on the SQQQ and there's 950s on SOX. You feel me? Look, AMD's grinding up, trying to cross over VWAP. Look, I'm seeing a little wicking here. Let's actually get in the trenches and see what the hell's going on here. Look, we came down here, held this, and trying to push up. That means the market is looking weak right now. Look, these things are looking like they want to bounce. We definitely don't want SOX crossing over VWAP. And I mean, SQQQ is already above VWAP. Shit. Like, my shit was in the money up here, bro. But look, no calls for pause yet, because look, these are your supports down here and your stops. You know what I mean? Like, even now, with this pullback, the contracts are still in the money, because I bought them not the best entry, but it wasn't the worst entry. Basically, instead of jumping on them here, I got them here. Which is still a good entry as long as we can consolidate and trend up. It's looking like we want to break down here. But chill. It could be a liquidity grab. Because look, this is what the SPY looks like on the 15-minute. So yeah, up here, best place to fade from. But after we fade and then come down here and hold this 445 25s and don't break down, that's support. Feel me? And it's not like it's on some low time frame. This is the 15-minute. So you can see we come down here, held this support, and we've been kind of grinding up on the 15-minute chart. So I mean, that's why it's important to watch a higher time frame always. Like, whatever you're trading, like if you're watching like a 1-minute or 2-minute chart or something, you also want to be watching it on the 10-minute or the 15-minute, and also the daily, if you're like really being technical with your levels. I mean, that's usually how I have my chart set up. I'd have the intraday chart with the daily next to it. But I mean, for the purpose of streaming, I got it set up like this, and I'm just watching it on the higher time frame on a different monitor. I mean, look at the Qs. The Qs are looking stronger now. That was holding the market back earlier. I was watching it. Like, especially Apple. And see what Apple's doing now. All right, Apple's trying to recover. Look, what a nice little freaking rip to the upside, though, huh? Oh, damn, what a nice little fade. Oh, bro. Who faded Apple? Who grabbed them 191 puts and faded it all the way down here to 188? They ate. But look, you fade from up here, fade it down here to support. If it's support, really, and a good price target, you'd actually want to flip long right there. You know what I mean? Because look, you bought the dip here, you're going to sell at resistance. And if this is resistance, then you want to fade from here down to support. And if this is support, You want to buy the dip and ride it back up to the upside. And look at Apple now, dude. If Apple comes up here and crosses over VWAP, bro, oh, we're ripping kind of. Look at the Qs. Oh, shit. What's going on here? Well, look at there. Look at NVIDIA ripping. And Meta trying to do a little ripping. I mean, not ripping, but definitely trying to rip. You feel me? Look at NVIDIA above VWAP and jerking, irking and jerking up here. Look at this thing pushing up. 435, man. Damn. What's the actual 52-week high on NVIDIA? Is it just 439.29? Yeah, it's looking like it. Hold on, let's double check real quick. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Look, NVIDIA's trying to push up. They're selling into it though. Look, you got people trying to fade NVIDIA off this 435.50s, and it makes sense because it was resistance right here. Look, they're trying to fade it off this level that was support. Like, see right there, how we're held support, and then resistance, then support, crackdown, then resistance, then resistance. So look, people are seeing that and seeing that we rejected off of this 435.50s, and they're trying to fade off of it. But tech's been weak all day, and now it looks like it's trying to wake up and show a little relative strength. So I would not be trying to fade off this 435.50s. Instead, I'd be anticipating the brick above that and grabbing the 436 puts. But I wouldn't even trade NVIDIA right now. It's too extended. But at the same time, with all this AI bullshit, the AI hype and all that, you know what I'm saying? Like, dude, it's like NVIDIA like reminded me of Tesla and shit, bro. That's how much it moves now. All right, let's see what's going on here. I mean, dude, my Trizzies are back in the money. What's the Qs doing? Look, now if the Qs come over here, look, we've already tested VWAP 1, 2. About to test it a third time. If we can break above it, we're breaking above it now. All right, dude. And then look, at the same time, if you need confirmation, look, you got success about to break down VWAP. I'm at the S triple Q about to break down VWAP. Success has already broken down VWAP and actually broke down my key level to 950s. Look, Palantir has now went back front side and is now trying to go back up towards the top of the range with some velocity here. Look at that thing. Look, AMD ran up, faded, held the support. Look, I mean, it's basic technical analysis. Look, we pushed up here and rejected it. It was resistance. We broke above it, faded back down. Now this resistance becomes support. And it's basically just technical analysis 101. You know what I mean? Like, it's easy technical analysis, dude. Like, I mean, I wouldn't, no, I mean, trading isn't easy, but doing technical analysis is like the easiest thing in trading. If I'm being real with you. So look, we broken above 372. I'm watching the Qs. Why? Oh yeah, bro. Look, I'm watching the wrong shit. What the hell happened here? I'm missing some space here, dude. Gotta go to 30-second candles and shit to make sure I get all my data, bro. My price action. There we go. I mean, remember, like I said it, the longer we consolidate and don't break down, the more of a chance we have to run up to the upside. And I had the 446 calls, so they are in the money. I'm up 3% on them now. But like, all right, what we need to ask ourselves is why are we having trouble right here? Is it just the market getting adjusted to us being over 446 now? Is it the algos and everything resetting? You seen that VWAP slant? But the thing about that VWAP slant is when we're in the uptrend and looking bullish, uh, we pop, we keep running. It's only when we're fading and looking weak that VWAP slant uh is really useful because it tells you it basically tells you right when you're about to dump. And I'm on the wrong fucking side, dude. God damn it. I need to set up. I need to set a different OBS scene. The problem with that is I just had to move a bunch of files around because I literally ran out of space on my boot drive. I'm thinking about getting just like a old school but high speed uh hard drive, but like a 10 terabyte, like a 10 terabyte SATA drive. So that way I could like put all my content like because I got like archives of content, dude. And I'm gonna tell you, I'll give you a prime example of why it's so important to hold your content because like I had all this old content from like gaming, like from playing Fortnite and shit, right? Because I used to record, and then when I started multi-streaming, you can actually download your whole stream. So I have all my old content, and like I didn't know what I was saving it for, but I was just saving it because like who wants to throw away their you know what I mean their work, their content. And then look, then YouTube shorts comes out, and like all my old content I could just repackage and repurpose into short form content. And like actually on the gaming side, like YouTube shorts, like I mean that shit's gotten me closer to getting monetized than any other time. I mean I'm damn near there. I haven't checked the numbers, but I gotta be close. But I don't like look we're pulling back. We cracked 446. Oh Lord, I should have took profit. Like see profit, take profit. Bro, why can't I get that in my damn head? See profit, take profit, bro. You know what I think it is? Honestly, because like I'm gonna say 9 times out of 10. All right, so 8 times out of 10, I'm right as far as like the price action and reading it and what's gonna happen. 8 times out of 10, I'm right, right? And look at this. So right now, I'm about to stop out because I ain't trying to give back no money. Cause now look, we pulled back past this level here, bro. The only hope is it's a liquidity grab before we run back up. But I don't think I want to stick around to find out. You feel me? Like I'm already up decent. I've actually haven't had any losing trades. I forgot what I was getting ready to say. But yeah, if you are getting into social media and streaming and gaming and uploading videos and shit, um, save your content. Because you never know what new thing's gonna come out. Even I'll give you another example of what I just told you about the YouTube Shorts. And I'm on the wrong chart, bro. Damn it. My bad. Uh, Prime example. What I told you about the YouTube Shorts, right? Let's see what Tesla's doing. Oh, like I didn't know what I was saving the content for, but I knew content was going to be king. Especially with all this metaverse shit coming out and all that. So I was just holding it, and look, I was able to repurpose it and leverage it into damn near monetization on my gaming channel, right? But recently, guess what? On like I'm not really on Facebook a lot like that, but I have got back on recently just to see what's been going on. And I guess I mean I don't know how new it is, but they got what the like Facebook Reels, and it's basically like YouTube Shorts. So like there's another way to repurpose that content into you know what I mean, short form content and leverage it into more reach. You know what I mean? And I've done some experiments because like I haven't really been streaming that much. And the only time like any content was going up on like my Facebook gaming channel or whatever, my Facebook gaming page, is when I live stream. But I haven't been live streaming a lot, right? So there hasn't really been much going on that channel. But the other day, like I uploaded like a short, and it turned it into a reel for me, and that shit drove like traffic to my page. So I'm just saying, like save your content, dude. Look, 445.75, we didn't break down. Now we're attempting to push up again, breaking past the 9 EMA and the 120 and testing 446. Come on, let's crack right through 446 and keep going, bro. Well, this last little liquidity grab right here, or maybe right here, or maybe it was down here. Who knows? More than likely down here. You feel me? Look at that rip. Look at that rip. All right, so now I'm up three and a half, no, 3.25% on my second trade. Which what are they? Oh, the 446 calls. But I got them down here. Up 3% on those. And I made 15% on my first trade. Like I don't like to do that either. Like as soon as I got on, like I seen the triple bottom. Where was it? What, one? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, crack. And then we bounced again and cracked lower, and I got out. And then I flipped long when I seen us recovering and consolidating right here. I flipped back long. So as of now, right up here would have been my best time to get out. This 446.20s. But let's see if I mean we've broken down 446 again, which isn't good. But we need to let's try to figure out why we're rejecting right here. 446.20s. I mean, there's nothing up here this high, bro. All right, see, like, but I mean, look, from here, this would be the bottom of the range in support. This would be a higher low. This would be a higher low. Then we pushed up, pulled back. This would be a higher low. Right here, 445.85 would be a higher low and something that we need to hold in order to keep trending up. 445.84 right here. Major key level right now. And obviously 446 is a key psychological level. But I'm saying this 445.84 is a key technical level right now. And then line in the sand, 445.75. We're trending down bad right now. Cracking my key level. Oh fuck! Like, dog, this is my problem. See profit, take profit. Like, I really have a problem with that. I have a problem with it, bro. But what I was saying was, oh, I remember what I was saying now. I think my problem is, look, we're dumping. Like, I don't even want to see that. I mean, the Qs though, look, the Qs are trying to hold the 120 and hold this level here, 371.80s. It kind of coincides with this. I'd say it's more like this. 371.89, 371.90. It's trying to break down right now, bro. Look at that wick. But then look at this wick. But look at the trend. All right, we got too many levels here. Right here. Say, look, 371.90. Major key level right now on the Qs. Look, rejecting, support. Crack, reject, support. You can see it going straight across. 371.90. From an intraday standpoint. Major key level right now on the Qs. Either we hold this level and keep trending up, or we crack and start fading. But if we do crack, it could be the fake out. So wait for confirmation. I'd say 371.50s would be the line in the sand. About right there. Where we rejected, topped out, broke above it. That's going to be your line in the sand. But 371.90s, and I'm on the wrong damn side. Shit, dude. Major key level here on the Qs. Again, 371.90. It's looking like it wants to break down. But let's see if it's the fake out breakout. Maybe a liquidity grab. Dumping all the way down here. Or down here. Really, the grab's down here, bro. Down here, you know what I mean? That looks more like a liquidity grab right there. Like right here. We came down here to a low, and then we've been grinding up ever since. But we did hit VWAP and reject. Didn't I say VWAP was my price target? Yeah, but that's you know, a major thing I need to work on. And uh actually, I mean, I didn't coin the phrase. I think I actually heard Chris saying it. But I mean, it's so true, bro. See profit, take profit. Like point blank, plain and simple, bro. Because look, up here, I seen profit. I didn't take it. Now we're fading. But what I'm thinking is my problem with that is and look, we're dumping. Like, see, now my 446s aren't in the money anymore, and I'm starting to eat into my gains of my first trade. $445.76. We broke below it for a second. Could have been a grab. Look, double bottom, triple bottom, really. Look, if you count this, look, 1, 2, 3. Look, 1. See these wicks here, wicking up off this 445.70. 1, 2, 3. Rip to the outside. Upside. Power of threes, bro. 1. Look, 1. And then even right here, it was like, so really, it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Rip. That's the power of threes. Let's see if we get some follow through, though. I mean, it's sure looking like we might get some. Look at the S&P 500. So we know this 4470 and change is a support down here intraday. And listen, I know the best and strongest levels come off the daily chart. But honestly, bro, like I noticed like significant levels intraday are gonna be like pre-market low, pre-market high, and then obviously if you want to look left and get more data off the daily, you can. Obviously you're supposed to. But I mean, from an intraday standpoint, I feel like I can grab levels intraday and make quick little scalps. All right, look. So we look 1, 2, 3, rip. Let's just rip up the VWAP. I'm on the wrong chart. My bad. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, rip. Look at Tesla. Don't let Tesla get going and Apple get going. All right, this S&P 500 is playing games over here, bro. All right, so you see where we're having trouble at, right? Right here, where we came down and bounced off this level. This 44.7265s. It's acting as resistance now. Right here, look. Bounce. So that's the level that we're fighting with right now. To break back above. So if we can break back above that, I mean, I guess I'd be looking at 44.79 50s, 44.83 90s, and then 44.86 83, and basically that's the high of day. All right, look. So bouncing, trying to clear this 44.72.65, bouncing decent off of my short term and the 9 EMA and the 120. There is no VWAP on the S&P 500 for some reason. Look at this. Nvidia trying to rip back up to the upside, bouncing off the 9 EMA, pushing up past the 120, trying to actually get up to VWAP and cross over VWAP. If Nvidia crosses over VWAP, which is looking like it's wanting to do right now, I mean, obviously, we should have a clear shot to 435 50s. And then look at this. All right, so now look, you see this Russell. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a quintuplet bottom down there, bro. But the main thing is every time we came down there and hit that level, we bounced or held or consolidated. So that's how you know it's eventually going to bounce and start trending back up. This is the last little level we need to clear on the S&P 500. Oh, they just dumped hard on Meta. Uh, 44.75.25. This is the next major hurdle right here, in my opinion. And it's looking like we're wanting to push past it. Look at this long wick. See that? Pop right past it. But let's not get faked out because look, we popped up to 44.75 50s. So look, see how it's looking like we wanted to push up. Rejected. But I mean, that's a nice little bullish looking candle right there. So even here, nice little bullish push, pullback. Nice little bullish push, pullback. So now we need one more nice little bullish push to get us past this 44.75.25 like we're doing right now. And then if we get past 44.75 50s, then like for sure we should trend up. Unless they're grabbing to fade it, because Meta's already took a dump. Look, good thing about Meta though, we're above VWAP. So as long as this thing can stay up here, I say above 305 and change, we should be good. But we're dumping right now. Okay, they're buying Meta. They're buying it. Nvidia's pushing up. Meta's trying to hold this 306 level. Right here, 306. Major psychological level on Meta right now, 306. They're fighting for it. You also have the 9 EMA right here. We're trying to wick to the upside off the 9 EMA while holding 306. It's looking kind of weak though, bro. Just from this thing. Well, look at Nvidia grinding up. Look, Nvidia about to test this 435 50s. Pushing up. Oh shit, look. All right, look at the S&P 500. Look, last major hurdle coming up here to test it again. So I guess it'd be like what? Tested it here, and now we're gonna test it here. Power of threes. 1, 2, 3. I mean, look at the Russell though. Above all the indicators. Just looking super bullish. Above the 9 wicking to the upside off the 9 EMA. Above VWAP in the 120. So obviously in an uptrend right now. And now you got the S&P 500 breaking past this 44.75 50s. Come on, let's just get some follow through here. We need some follow through. Right here. And look, if you look at the SPY on the 15-minute, it's looking quite bullish. Okay, Nvidia's looking bullish again. Meta came down here and basically consolidated on the 9 EMA. Didn't break down, and now it's looking like it's putting in higher lows, trying to push up again past the 120. Look at Nvidia. Back up to 436 damn near. Fuck. Fuck, dude. We're having trouble here, bro. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Trying to push up. Trying to push up. Pushing past 44.75 50s on the S&P 500. Pushing. 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 Meta's ripping right now. All right, this little dump, we just got all that back up at 306 50s. Pushing up higher. Nvidia pushing up higher. The S&P 500's pushing up higher. The Russell, I don't know, it's kind of like cooling off a little bit. But I mean, that was quite a run up there. So you would expect a little healthy pullbacks and some moderation if you want the trend to continue. But look, that's a level there on the intraday. Right here, look. Holding that thing, consolidating on it for a long time there. These are 2-minute candles. So that's about a half hour or something, like 45 minutes. Or I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. So about 45 minutes. We held that as support. So clearly a significant level there. The fact that we're trying to break past it right now is definitely bullish. And dude, I just seen Meta ripping for a second, bro. It was. That shit was ripping to the upside. Almost got as high as 307 for a second there. I don't like how I mean, honestly, that's fine, but this is what I don't like. Pushed up to 44.76. You feel me? And then rejected. And we're pulling back now to my key level of 44.75.25. And look, wicking to the upside off that thing. That's how you know that's a key level. Feel me? I mean, that's a nice long wick right there. So whenever we did just try to dump, they bought it. So let's see some follow through. See some follow through here. And look, we're looking bullish. Okay. Okay, look at Nvidia now. And Meta now. Meta's up at 306. Damn near getting up to 307. But dude, I feel like we keep running into a wall and it's signaling a rejection. Look. We keep coming up here and rejecting, bro. I might have to go ahead and see profit, take profit. Let's see where we're at. What do I have? I got the 446s. See, they're still in the money. But look, I was watching some other shit when I was at my price target, which was VWAP. Damn it. Keep missing my price targets. And now look, we're coming back down. Fuck, man. Also look, notable success is coming down here and bouncing off 950 again. The S triple Q is consolidating right below VWAP, but looking like it wants to push above it. Let's see if we can actually get a break above VWAP or if we reject. But I mean, for now, it's looking like we want to break above VWAP. And look, you got AI starting to fade. AMD running out of steam. S triple Q and success looking more bullish by the second. See this, how they keep pushing up and testing this. Success testing this 950s. S triple Q testing VWAP. I would like to see a rejection off of VWAP and a rejection off 950. I mean, contract's still in the money right now. I think I'm gonna take profit, bro. See profit, take profit. See profit, take profit. Oh, look, we're bouncing. Look. All right. My price target is VWAP. My price target is VWAP. We couldn't quite test it here. We tested it a few times here. Keep getting rejected. Oh, VWAP slant, but we're on an uptrend, so that means we might get a pop above VWAP. Right here. And look, I'm doing the same thing. That's my price target. Why am I not taking profits? Why am I not taking profits? Because I'm trying to anticipate the break above VWAP. Because I know if we break above VWAP, we're going to trend up even higher. And I'm going to make even more money. Because look, once we break above VWAP right here, the next resistance, I mean, I don't know, 446.50s going to be the next resistance if we break above VWAP right here. Bruh, did you see that? Like, we just freaking gapped down, dude. VWAP slant. VWAP slant's bullish when we're bullish. We've been topping out against VWAP for a second here. Look, these are 30-second candles. Going up to test VWAP again. All right, let's break past it. Break past it. Look, volume coming in. Volume coming in, but these are 30-second candles. Well, look, dude, it's imminent. The break past VWAP is imminent at this point. It's imminent. That's a setup too. The consolidation underneath VWAP. But usually the setup is like when we've been fading and it looks like we're about to, when we crack VWAP and then consolidate under it and then rip back to the upside. But since we've been grinding up already, it's not the same setup. But still, I've seen consolidation under VWAP plenty of times, then the rip past VWAP. But again, it's usually the fake out. Like when we're fading, we come down here, crack VWAP, consolidate under it, and then rip back up to the upside. So it's kind of like the inverse, I guess. Or we've been trending up to VWAP. We get to VWAP. We're having trouble with it. We're consolidating under it and topping out against it. But I mean, we've been topping out against it for a while, but we've been trending up. And if we're just looking at it from a bottom of the range, which would really be way down here, but we'll just say here, 445, and then the top, 447.50s. We're like in the middle right now, so it could go either way. Look, VWAP slant, and then you see the dumping. But again, we're in an uptrend. Well, look. I mean, as long as the S&P 500 stays above this 44.75.25, look, ripping to the upside now. There we go. There we go. There's the break above VWAP. All right, up 5% on those right now. Come on, let me get a nice little push past VWAP, man. At least up here, bro. To this oh, we're ripping to the upside. The S&P 500 was. Look at this. Look at that. Key level. Is that a key level or what? Is that a key level or what? 44.75.25 on the S&P 500. Look how we just freaking bounced to the upside off that thing, dude. Key level. It would be nice if the Russell could hold this 192.40s way up here above VWAP and everything, but it's looking increasingly unlikely. And I'm gonna have to see profit, take profit, bruh. But damn, I'd be so pissed if I go ahead and lock in gains right now and we end up trending all the way back to the top of the range. You feel me? But we can't worry about that though, dog, because we're not trying to hit home runs. We're in it for base hits only. But what I was saying, like with the whole see profit, take profit thing, like I really think it's hard for me to do that right now because honestly, look, we're dumping. Like fuck, while I'm running my mouth, I should have been taking profits. I mean, I'm still up decent. I'm up almost 4% now. It was 5. It was like 7 up here. All right. Pushing up. I mean, we're above VWAP and consolidating now. So that's bullish. We just don't want to be coming back down here and breaking down past VWAP anymore. We want to now push up. Up 5.5%, up 6% on those now. Oh, they're trying to dump on it. Look, we pushed up. Bearish. You know what I mean? Lower low. Wicking. Another lower low. Trying to wick to the downside. Got VWAP slanting all over the place. Got these wicks up here. Looking like we about to crack VWAP if we're not careful here. Let's see where the rule level is. The rule level's right here, 446.23. Right here. See where we came down and tried to bounce, but ultimately rejected off this 446.25. That's the rule level that's running parallel to VWAP. And look, we're pushing up here. All right, now I'm up 6%. No, 5.75% on those. I mean, what did I have again? The 446s. They're in the money. I mean, it'd be nice to get back up to 447, and I know we eventually will. But it's just, do I want to stay in the trade that long and babysit it? You feel me? Or do I want to see profit, take profit? See that? See, look, they just dumped on it. What level is this up here? They dumping on that thing. Look, we pushed up. They dumped on it. We pushed up again. They dumped on it. But I mean, high or low. Look, crucial right here, bro. Looks like Nvidia is dumping. Meta's pushing higher. Meta is at 307. Oh, we just ripping to the upside, boy. Look at Meta. 307. Bro, have I not been saying Meta to 300 for months, bro? Dog. I swear, bro. Go back and watch my streams and my content, bro. I swear, look. Look, I don't like this wick here. Don't like this wick here. I'll let you know they're selling into it. And see if they have enough selling power to make us break down this previous higher low. Uh, 44.76.59. I mean, definitely looking like enough downward pressure to crack that level right now with this long ass wick up here, bro. And then we got Nvidia fading. Meta fading. Let's see if we break down this level. 44.76.60s. Also coincides with my short-term 10-day SMA and my 9 EMA. Oh. Dude, this thing was just ripping. All right, dude, back up here. Like, if we get back up here, I'm taking profits for sure, dog. I mean, I made 15% on my first trade. And remember, it was an oversized trade. I got filled 4 times. So fucking, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not really used to trading with that much size. Like 10 contracts is a lot for me. But that's what I was getting ready to say. I mean, you know, from an intraday standpoint, from scalping. Now, if you're swinging long term, I mean, 10 contracts is fine. But like for an intraday, quick little scalp, especially as soon as I jumped in the market, I think that was out of bounds. You know what I'm saying? Like jumping right in and just seeing a triple bottom and reacting off of that really quick and then getting quadruple filled. I really feel like I got lucky on that. I mean, I was right. It's just the size. You know what I'm saying? I mean, good thing it worked out, but like, you know, like, trust me, I did not try to do that. I tried to make the actual trade, just not with that size. But and usually when you make a fat fingered mistake like that, you want to go ahead and close out the trade right away. Trust me. It's just the way it is. I mean, I've from personal experience, I know this, and from also listening to more experienced traders, I also know this. So it's not something that I'm making up. Look, I mean, this is crucial too, bro. Like, there's a lot of intraday levels here, bro. $446.42. I mean, there's intraday levels all over the place. So look, 446.42 is the next resistance we need to break past. It's not looking too good because look, the Russell is like wicking to the downside. Look, we pushed up, wicked to the downside with enough momentum to actually crack past a 9 EMA. We were able to actually bounce back up, and we are above the 9 EMA right now. However, all of these wicks up here and this wick right here on this present candle is making, okay, we just put in a higher low. Let's see if we can push up, or if we fade. See, look, see this wick here, and we're kind of wicking to the downside off of that 44.78 right now. It's looking like the Russell wants to go ahead and push up, but at the same time, I see Meta pulling back. And by the way, I heard that when the S&P 500 gets to 4,500, we're gonna actually hit that shit and reject and fade decent, bro. 4,500, major key level, bro. 4,500. All right, I've heard people say that we're gonna hit 4,500 or 4,800 or whatever, and then reject and reverse and fade all the way back down to 3,500. But shit, right now we're ripping to the upside. Jam, I'm up 7.5% on those now. Oh, VWAP slant. Oh, look at that slant, bro, and that wick. This ain't looking good. Look, we're wicking off this 446.42. Look, wick. But I don't know, man. The market's just looking bullish right now. Look at that trend. Especially from here to here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's get rid of some levels. Let's look at it on a higher time frame. And see, look. When in doubt, zoom out. And you can clearly see we popped, hit resistance up here at 447.50s. Basically high a day. These are 15-minute candles. So you can use that wick as a level. But look, hit resistance, pulled back to a higher low at 445.25. Consolidated for 15, 30, 45, an hour and 15 minutes. On the 15-minute chart, holding this level. But at the same time, grinding up, putting in higher lows on the 15-minute, now breaking above VWAP. But this is not looking good. Look. We pushed all the way up here and pulled back to the 9 EMA. The Russell has rejected like I said it would. And we pull back to the 9 EMA here. If we can't hold the 9 EMA in my short term and we break down, I'm getting out. I mean, it'd be nice to get the 447 though. But right now, like, I'm looking at it like see profit, take profit. I'm up 7%. Let's see what the Qs are doing. I mean, the Qs are ripping. Not really. But they've been grinding up gradually. 373. I'm gonna say that's a major psychological level at least. Haven't had time to check and see if it's a major level, technical level, but more than likely it is. All right, let's see if we can consolidate above 373 on the Qs here. That's a key level right now. That's a key technical level and a key psychological level. 373. and looking like we are holding it and trying to push up. What about the SPY? $446.50s. I mean, all right, let's give it some more time to see if we can at least grind up to 446.50. We're pulling back. We're pulling back to the 9 EMA, which is fine. Now look, I don't like all this topping out and wicking. The S&P 500, decent little push, pull back to the 9, and then continuing to put in higher lows. So there's still a chance here. And then the SPY on the 15-minute is looking bullish as hell. Oh my God. Dude, middle's ripping, bro. 307.30s. Trading that now, bro. Dog, I called Meta when they were upgrading it. They were upgrading Meta to like 120 to 150 or something. And it was trading at like 120. And I was like, bro, Meta is going to under 100. And bro, we freaking, I swear, like the next day or the day after that, we freaking dumped down to 98. And so I called that one out to a T, even as the big dogs were upgrading it. And I called Meta to 300. Right on that earnings beat, bro. Like, I mean, it was clear as day when you seen that pop on that earnings beat. You already knew what time it was. But look, I don't like how this is looking. I'm on the wrong chart. I don't like how this is looking. We're pulling back too much. We've pulled back past the 9 EMA. Look, we're dumping. We got wicking going on here. Look, that's a huge dump. I'm about to take profits. See profits, take profits. Oh shit, we're about to dump. Because we're dumping and we got the VWAP slant. We're about to dump. I already know, dude. I already know, bro. Oh, dude. See profit, take profit. What? Like, but this is what I'm saying. Why couldn't I do it up here, bro? I'm gonna tell you what my theory is behind that. What do I have? The 446s? Wait, 446 calls. Yeah, and for some reason I'm trading freaking same day expirations.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out, dude. See profit, take profit. You feel me? Fuck all the bullshit, dog. When we see profit, we take profit around here, bro. But you know, and look, now we're bouncing. That's fine. But like, that's the move, bro. Like, I caught the move. Look, one, 2, 3, crack, got out. So I caught the move to the downside. And then when I seen us grinding back up and breaking above this 445.24, I went long. And then got out, you know what I mean? Like around here instead of up here. But still decent. But yeah. See profit, take profit. Oh, I was on the wrong chart, my bad. Alright, so what I was saying was when I first came on, we were fading. And then I seen us bomb with this triple bottom here. Wait, hold on. Triple bottom 1. Look, 1, 2, 3. Crack. Took profits. Then when we grinded back up and recovered, I went long. I mean, execution could have been better. But it also could have been a lot worse. Look, look, look. As soon as I close out my shit, we start bouncing. It's all good though. Oh, we're ripping, bro. But I mean, let's see where we're at. I mean, honestly, I still feel like there's more room to the upside, bro. What does it say Monday? I don't know. I fucked up my Rumble title. Oh, because I didn't change it. I just put used template. It's too late to change it now, dude. Fuck it. I still think there's a chance that we grind to the upside, bro. Because look, we pushed up, we pulled back, held support, grinded up, got above VWAP, and we're holding above VWAP. But I would need to see a lot more proof of concept for me to take another trade, especially when I'm up as much as I am in that short amount of time. You feel me? So basically, at this point, I feel like there's no need for me to keep trading because, again, I'm already long in my long term, and I've recently started building out my dividend plays. But I mean, if you look at this thing on the 15-minute, there's no reason to think that we don't at least come back up here and test 447.50s. I mean, obviously, you want to see some correlation and some proof of concept. But yeah. Yep. I mean, that was decent, bro. See, look, I just missed like all the number print and all that bullshit, and the data coming out. I just skipped all that and just watched the markets. But then after all the craziness is over with, and we get some logic come back in the market, then I'm down to trade. So right now, I mean, obviously there's always a trade somewhere, but if I had to guess, look, we're about to dump. If we come down here and crack VWAP, I'll jump on 446 puts back down to the downside. Look how we're wicking. VWAP slant. It's looking like we're about to fade. It depends. If the S&P 500 cracks this level, and the Russell cracks this level, then we'll fade. But for now, we're looking like we're bouncing, which is making me second guess myself about taking profits. Because look, we're bouncing. Damn, them shits would have been way more in the money right here, bro. Whatever, I mean, seems like I got ripped off here. Oh, no, because it's still showing me the percentages even after the trades are closed. I don't know. Either way, I'm good, dude. Nice little, nice little extraction right there. You feel me? And that's all. That's all. You know what I mean? I'm not in it for home runs, bro. I'm in it for gradual gains, with the repeatable process where I can consistently extract, um, capital from the markets every day that will compound over time. And with those gains, I am adding to my long term and dividend plays. And I feel like if I can do that, uh, at least for another year or so, couple years, uh, at some point, I should be able to have a stream of income. You feel me? Without doing anything off the dividend, right? Off the dividends. And of course, you still got the long term and your intraday trading to supplement it. Damn, look, I could have stayed in. Look, they faked me out with the little liquidity grab, but I was still able to exit with the profit, so I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at all. But yeah, man, you feel me? That's oh, look, trying to dump a little bit here. Oof, oof. Oh no, boy. Them 446 puts. Them 446 puts. If we come down, if we start looking a little too weak, look, uh, a new candle has opened on the 9 EMA and looking like it wants to keep fading. Look, VWAP slant. So we should see more fading. Look, there you go. Like, I'm telling you, bro, there's something to that VWAP slant. Look, we got the slant and we got the fade. Telling you. I don't know why my VWAP does that. I think it's like whatever setting I have it on, it's like active or something. But look at that. Now, if we start looking bearish and we get another VWAP slant, I'm liking the 446 puts right here. If we start breaking down, because look right here, and then look at these wicks right here. Look, Nvidia topped out and started fading. Meta rejected. It's been fading ever since. Now Palantir is grinding up. All right, but look, you got the S triple Q here looking like it found the bottom. Success looking like it found the bottom. You know what that means? When those find the bottom and start trending up, that means the market is going to start trending down. Pretty much. I'm liking the 446 puts. But it's too late to trade 0 days. 446 puts? 446 puts? Right quick? 446 puts? Oh, no. 446 puts? Ooh, I'm glad I didn't get filled. All right, let's wait for a little bit more proof of concept. Let's wait for a little bit more proof of concept. Remember, power of threes, maybe. 1, 2, 3. So if we come back down here and it says view up again, we're gonna crack it. Actually, let's find the real level here. 446.25. $446.25. Right there. Oof. I'm so glad I didn't get filled in. But look, I honestly feel like we're about to look, VWAP slant. We're about to fade. We're about to fade. I mean, look, topping out, about to wash out. Looks like with this wick up here. Look, this thing's looking bearish. Look, coming down, coming down. Look at Nvidia coming down. Meta coming down. Look, right here. I'm waiting for the breakdown of this 446.25s. What am I looking at? The 446s? Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know. I think I'm being too greedy.
Order filled.
So we're gonna go light. I think I'm being too greedy here, bro. Let me go ahead and get this thing primed up to sell. Just in case we bounce here. All right, so look. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, crack. What did I say? What did I say, boy? What did I say, boy? What did I say, man? Don't let us crack this 44.75.25 on the S&P 500. Because if we do that, oh my God. Oof. Ooh. See profit, take profit. It might be a liquidity grab. Oh. VWAP slant. More fading. More fading. More fading. More fading. More fading. Look at that wick. Come on, man. You gonna tell me nothing to that VWAP slant there, dog? Bro, I'm taking profits already, bro. I'm out, dog. Quick little trade right there, bro. I ain't even playing with it. I'm gone. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Right when I'm about to try to get out, boy, that bit bounce. Look at that shit, boy. I feel like my broker's listening to me, bro. Like dog, I swear they do that shit. Because I forgot what broker platform it was that I was using. But like when I would like connect to it, that bitch would say, such and such is using your microphone and webcam, bro. Like the broker platform. I swear, bro. So either their app can hear what you're saying, or they're fucking watching your stream, or trading against you. I mean, obviously probably not me because I'm not trading with huge size, but I do find it rather weird that my broker platform would be listening to my microphone and my webcam. Like, why would they need to do that? You feel me? They already got all the information. Look at this. Damn, bro, that was a liquidity grab, dog. Look at that shit. Fuck, I should have got out. The contracts, I'm still green on the position. But damn, I was like looking very green down here at 446. Because that's what I grabbed, the 446 puts. Fuck. Did you see how fast we freaking... All right, look, there's VWAP. There's the VWAP slant. Damn, if I could have just freaking been fast enough to execute down here real quick, dude, I could have been 3 for 3 real quick. I still am. But now that we're bouncing too much now, dude. But look, let's see if this key level is gonna act like a key level and show some resistance here off this 446.25. It's tough right here because look, you got a key level here, but you also have VWAP and the 9 EMA here, and we've also put in higher lows here. So like a lot's going on here, bro. But dude, what caused this dump right here? I think that was a grab. That was a stop hunt / grab. They just grabbed my liquidity. Look at that, dude. We freaking dumped down, bro. Like that's what I'm saying. Like 9 times out of 10, dog, I'm right on the price action. Like, and what's gonna happen? Like, you feel me? Like in a short time frame. Like I'm good with the price action, reading the price action, but I need to learn how to, when my trade works, I need to learn how to freaking just take profits. You feel me? Like that's something I need to work on. Cause look, like, bro, I called that shit out to the T, bro. And down here, bro, like at 446, that's what I have, the 446 puts. So we got there. But fuck, man, after this, like we done bounced back up here and reclaimed my key level, reclaimed VWAP, the 9 and all that shit, bro. And now it's running against me. Now I'm giving money back. Oh, you like that? What's up, little Joey? Where you been at, bro? You still out there now? Where you been at, bro? You still out there now? What template, snarky guy? That template title thing gets me all the time. Oh, hustle open 24/7? Yeah, it is, dude. Look, I'm reading comments. This shit's fucking running against me. Got me giving back money. God damn, dog. I called that shit out, bro. They got me, bro. Like no, that's a true liquidity grab right there, bro. Look, we came all the way down here, bomb, and then immediately freaking rip to the upside, bro. Like, because I don't really. I mean, I wasn't really sold on the whole liquidity grab thing. I just heard people saying it. More specifically, Michael Kors saying it. But dude, like that's what that was right there, bro. Like, you can't deny it. Look, they came down here, snatched liquidity, and like freaking ripped to the upside, bro. And now they like my like I'm giving back money now. Well, only hope is that this is a little fake out breakout right here. It doesn't look like it though. That shit looking bullish as fuck, son. Look at this. Oh no, bro. I'm fucking stopping out, bro. Like I'm out, dude. I missed my exit. God damn it, dog. Look at this. I'm talking about, like, I called that shit out to a T. And see, that's one of the reasons why I don't live stream a lot. Because I find myself distracted with the live stream instead of focusing on my executions. I like this wick right here. VWAP slant. Slant. But when we're bullish, the slant doesn't mean nothing. The slant just means we're going to continue to be bullish. But we are at resistance right now. And we've wicked to the downside off of it twice. So there is still hope that we can break back down this 446.40s, 446.43 or whatever it is. There's still hope just because we wicked to the downside off this 446.50s. But I mean, that, like, if you need a definition of a liquidity grab, that's it. They fucking flushed it, just like they knew traders would be seeing that and anticipate the breakdown. So they went ahead and broke it down and then freaking ripped it right back up before people could exit their trades. And that's the grab, bro. They grabbed my liquidity and some of my fucking money, actually. It's all good though. I'm still up decent on the day, bro. But like I don't like this. I don't like this. We're I'm about to close out the puts and go back long, dude. Look, we've broken above all this shit. 446.50s. Look, I'm out, bro. Hold on, let's make sure it's not a fake out. 446.50. Just make sure real quick. Just make sure. I mean, it's not looking like a fake out. As you can see from the S&P 500, the thing's grinding up. But look, the Russell's been topping out here. Oh, fuck, dude. We're ripping. We're ripping. We're ripping! Dude, reject. Oh, those are 2-minute candles. That's why I'm not seeing the price action. All right, look. $192.50s. The Russell's rejecting off of that. Look at this long ass wick. Rejecting off of that 44.80s. We just need some follow through right here. But I mean, obviously that's clearly bullish. But I like this wick showing us that there's some sellers up here at 44.80. And then if you look at the Russell, we've been topping out here. And looks like we finally hit it and we're going to fade off of it. But Meta still looking bullish. The S&P 500 still looking bullish. I mean, even the SPY. Like, bro, I can't believe I missed that, dog. But at this point, like, we just have to recognize that I missed my exit, and to stay in the trade any longer is just going to cost me more and more money. I'm just trying to see if it's a fake out real quick, bro. But as we keep pushing higher, yeah, it's not a fake out. Wait, hold on. Wait. Because look, SQQQ has broken down that level. Stocks S has broken down that level. You feel me? So that means the market is pushing up. If we could see these reclaim this 1840 and this 950 here on the SQQQ and Stocks S, we could possibly maybe see a little bit of fading. It's not looking like it, dog. Bro, I just got demolished just now, dude. Like, oh, I'm out. I'm giving back way too much money, bro. We keep going up. We keep going up. All right, let's just do a little technical analysis real quick, and hopefully my position doesn't run too far against me while I'm doing this. $446.70, $446.75, $446.70. Oh, look at this, dude. God damn. VWAP slant. But see, when it slants, when we're bullish, dog, we just pop. Come on, man. Let me get a VWAP slant in to wash back out the VWAP real quick, bro. Just for my confidence. Come on, man. Let me get a rejection, bro. I knew I was being too greedy, but dude, the trade worked. You seen it. That shit just happened so fast, bro. Like, as soon as I put the trade on, like it freaking worked. I didn't even have my order set up to get out yet. All right, see, look, this is what I'm banking on. We hit this 446.70s and start fading back down. I seen VWAP slant down a little bit. All right, come back down and grab some more liquidity real quick so I can get out. Come on. Come on, market makers. I know you guys need more liquidity. Come on down, swing down here, grab some liquidity. Let me get out this bitch. Let's go. Come on. I want the liquidity grab. Where is it? Where is it? I don't know. We're trying to push up here. Bro, Meta's ripping. It's above 307. S&P 500 now is back at 4480s and looking to keep pushing higher. My God. What do I got? The 446s. See that wicking? See that wicking? If we can't get back above 446.70, I'll double down on the 446 puts. I'll double down on them right now. I get them for a cheaper price way up here. And then I don't need to wash all the way back down as far to break even on this last trade or even make money. But the flip side to that is if we fucking just rip to the upside, I'm dead, dude. I would have given back damn near all my profits. But I mean, look, we came up here, we've been topping out. Now this could be considered consolidation, but the fact that we're consolidating under a level and kind of topping out against it, it's giving me a little more patience with the trade. But I mean, this thing, like, dude, this was my exit that I missed. Now I'm just trying to at least fade back down to here or something. That way I can at least be break even on the last trade. And I mean, either way, I'm still green overall. But like, I want to be a little bit more green than I am now just because I was already. All right, here we go. VWAP slant. All right, come on, let's wash out. Let's go. Let's go. Fake them dudes out. The ones that are chasing up here. There's got to be people that chased and FOMO'd up here. So I believe they swing it back down and trigger some stops and grab some liquidity before we head up again. Rejecting off the 9 EMA. The S&P 500 is doing the same. Meta's almost at 308. Look, Meta got all the way up here to 308.10 and then rejected. But still, it's pushing up. Like they're trying to dump on it. All right, there goes the dump. There it goes. 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 And look. This is what the spot looks like on the 15-minute. So look, came up here, we topped out, broke above it, came back to hold this support, rejected, grinded up slowly back to this level. 446.70. Either we break above it or we reject it and start heading down. For now, it's looking like we rejected it. And we also broke down the 9 EMA for a second. Got all the way down as low as here. Cracking the 9. 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 Now let's crack 446.50s. Was cracking the 9. Now wicking to the upside off the 9. They're dumping on Meta. Nvidia's bouncing. VWAP slant. All right. Let's get a fade here. Fade. 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 We need another slant. We need another slant to induce the washout. Oh no, bro, that shit looking bullish right now, dog. We're wicking to the upside off the 9 EMA, trying to bust past another resistance, bro. Come on, man. I know they need more liquidity before they can push the market up. I just want them to come down here, grab some liquidity, and then let me get out. Come on, do your little trick. Do your little stop hunt or whatever the fuck it is. Execute that. Execute that. To me, it looks like the SPY's running out of steam here. If you ask me. At the same time, I'm seeing the SQQQ and SOXS trying to bounce here and reclaim those key levels I was talking about. As you can see from here, look, bouncing and trying to reclaim the key level, or yeah, I'm gonna call it a key level around 1850s. See how it's bouncing, trying to reclaim, and look at SOXS, long wick on the bottom, trying to push up and reclaim that 940s. 950s level. At the same time, look, Palantir's dumping. So we need the SQQQ and SOXS to go ahead and break past these levels here. Look, they're having trouble, but they're trying. All right, here it goes. Look, success. Look, ooh, that thing's trying, bro. And then look, you got AMD wicking to the downside, which lets me know success is about to uh move to the upside. Hold on, because they're different time frames. All right, now they're on the same time frame. All right, see, look, this thing's looking like it wants to dump. Look, if we were putting in higher lows, we got back up to this level and rejected. Let's go back to the main thing. I actually think, okay, so on my last set of contracts, they weren't 0 DTE. So I don't necessarily have to close them out today. Although I surely am. Give this thing some time to work, bro. Look, pushing up, pushing up. But how can AMD and Success be pushing up at the same time? No. Fake push up. Let's see what the Qs are doing. Look, the Qs are ripping, bro. Look at this. Fuck, man. Look at Tesla, bro. This shit ripping. Tesla's another one that's going to 300. Grab your calls now. Tesla to 300. Oh, dude, I'm getting out, bro. I'm giving back way too much money here, bro. I'm giving back way too much. All right, let's just make sure. But it's not the fake out. Look, we keep coming up and testing this 446.70s and having trouble with it. Look, topped out, faded off of it. Tried to bounce up, couldn't even test it again, faded again, bounced up, tested it again, and is having trouble with the level, although it looks like it does have enough strength to break past it. Look, resistance, support, resistance. I need it to be resistance right here. One more time. Be resistance one more time. All right, a new candle has opened below the previous candle and also below the 9 EMA. Was trying to wick to the upside off the 9 EMA. It looks like they sold into it a little bit and they did push it back down to a doja candle. See like that? So there's sellers here too. Pushing it back down. Let's see if the sellers have enough strength to overpower the buyers and overpower this 9 EMA right here. If they do, then I feel more comfortable with the fact that we at least fade back down the VWAP. If they can't, then I have to go ahead and stop out. Back up here at this level again. Now remember, we broke past it a few times and then gave it back. So like right here, we're above it. 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 And now we're above it again. So hopefully these sellers right here at 446.75 can dump on this thing right now. All I know is I just seen some violent ass price action out my peripheral. And this ain't looking good, bro. Cause look, these things are constantly fading. Now you got success on the low. So that is super bullish for tech. Super bullish, bro. So something's lagging. Okay. I mean, the S triple Q's trying to bounce right here. And so is success. Look. But I mean, at this point, dog, it's just like inverse higher lows. It's bouncing just enough to keep you interested. Just enough to keep you in the trade, just to lose a little bit more money. You feel me? But every time it bounces, look, it bounced there. No, it did bounce up higher there. Then we faded. Then we bounced. Couldn't get back up here. We faded, and now we're bouncing, and it's looking like we can't get back up here. If that's the case, then the market's going to keep melting up. Now, if we can get back up here and cross over that, then the market's going to fade. But look, they're playing with it, bro. It's like it's bouncing just enough to, I mean, Palantir is trying to come down. Like, it's bouncing just enough to make you think that we could bounce and reclaim those levels. But look, at the same time, you got AI grinding up. I can't believe AI is back at $40, bro. The strength of this thing right here, bro, and the resilience of it is, I don't think I've seen anything quite like it, if I'm being honest with you. Now look, we've been up here topping out for a while, bro, and not going any higher, right? Which is making me think this is going to be resistance and a possible place to fade from. As I say that, look, VWAP slants, and we start to fade and dump. But I mean, I'm in the 446s already, so the only thing I could do is average down. And I think I got screwed on one of my executions by getting out for a market order. I'm gonna go back and check the numbers later. All right, what do you think? Double down? Double down? Look at that. Weakness. Rejecting off the 9. VWAP slant. Oh. Here comes the washout. And then look. Look at the spot on the 15-minute. We're clearly topping out against this level here, 446.70. And right now it's actually a double top. Look, 1, 2. So in actuality, we could go up and test it one more time for the power of 3s before rejecting, or either ripping past it. But one or the other is going to happen. And we're already at the top of the range, damn near. We're definitely closer to the top than the bottom, so I would think it'd be more favorable to fade from up here than to buy the dip. But you're buying the dip from here to here? Or would you rather fade from here to here? Or here? Remember, you go short or fade or grab puts at resistance, and you buy the dip or go long or grab calls at support. And it seems like we're at resistance right now. Some vape juice. Should I double down on these? Average down? How much are they worth now? 84 cents. I'm looking at the ones that expire tomorrow. I mean, look, 1, 2, 3. We've tested it 3 times and failed each time. Power of threes. All right, here's the test. Here's the last test right here. 1, 2, 3, 3, and this is where we see the action at. I mean, it's looking kind of strong right now. Slant. All right, bro. I'm stomping out. I'm not gonna sit here and freaking give money back, bro. I already gave a decent amount back, bro. And I missed this exit down here, bro. Now this shit has ran against me. If we don't reject right here, bro, I'm out. That's it, bro. That's my stop. 446.75. The level's 446.70s. Power threes. 1, 2, 3. Crack. It look like we're about to 1, 2, 3 rip. But again, I feel like we're closer to resistance than we are support. If that's the case, then we should fade from here, right? The key word is closer. We're not at a major resistance, though. You know what I'm saying? And look, dude, this shit's fucking pushing up, bro. Like, I'm stopping out. I'm saying, if we don't reject here, bro, I'm stopping out, dude. Reject. Well, I'm out, dude. I'm out. Look how they're playing with it, bro. Look at this. All right, crack the 9. You have to crack this level and the 9. See, that's the problem. You got support here, you got a level here, and then you got the 9 EMA here. So when it's trying to reject, like the 9 EMA is like propping it up. But you seen that jerk past the 9 real quick? Look, we went all the way down here for a second. All the way down here for a second. But that was like too fast to execute off of. That's where those bracket orders come in at. Those OCO orders. Because if you had like a bracket order from here to like here, and that shit wicked down here real quick, you would have got out. I just feel like it's too much trouble, bro. Setting up. I mean, I guess if I really took my time and like set up some hotkeys and a system, I could do it. All right. Breaking down past my key level, 446.70. New candle has opened below the previous candle. Here we go. Here we go. Rejecting off the 9 now. VWAP slant. On the downtrend, the VWAP slant usually means more fading is coming. Can it hold true? Can it hold true? Yes. Yes. It is tried and true. It is tried and true. It is tried and true. Bro. Look at that. Ooh. Look at the S&P 500 dumping. Hold on. Let me go back to the main thing. Let's keep that. See. We're trying to bounce. What are we bouncing off of? 446.30s. Oh, man. This might be another liquidity grab, dude. I might have to go ahead and get out. 446.33. You seeing that VWAP slant? Like when we're bearish and fading and VWAP slants down like that, like I've said a million times, it usually means it's followed by more fading. More fading. Look, you even got the 9 EMA freaking slanting down. Oh man. Please don't tell me they did it to me again with the liquidity grab, bro. Look, same thing like this. Look, dump, bump, and then bump. Look, same shit, dude. But see, maybe that's what they want us to think. It's gonna be the same thing, but this time they switch it up and actually pull the rug. You feel me? Because everyone can see what they're doing. You know what I'm saying? But then there comes a point where if everyone knows what the hell is going on, you have to switch it up. So here's the switch up. They've been grabbing liquidity all day. Now let's see if they do the fake liquidity grab and keep us dumping. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. But look, you got VWAP slanting down. But it's hard to call. I guess, yeah, this is still bearish. So on a bearish trend, when that thing slants down, you can expect more fading. But see, that was a dump, and then we started trending up. So you can't really say it's just a bearish trend. It was just a dump and then a bounce. Bro. They grabbed liquidity again. I mean, hindsight is 2020. Obviously, I have a level here. No, I just put that there. But obviously, you got VWAP in the 120 here. So, hindsight is 2020. And even with the dump coming down here, we should have known that we could bounce off of VWAP. All right, here's a slant. All right, fade. Look, the Qs, I mean, kind of did the same thing. But it's seeming like the Q like Tech's stronger now, but earlier Tech was weaker. Bro, they did it again. They flushed the market, brought it all the way down here, and then freaking just bounced it right back up. Just fucking diving down here and grabbing that liquidity and them gains, and then taking it back up to the top. That shit's crazy. But either way, dude, like, yeah, obviously I'm pissed off I didn't get out here where I was supposed to, where my trade actually worked. But I mean, after this dump, and even right here, I mean, like I'm still up decent on the day, bro. So I'm feeling like I should just go ahead and quit while I'm ahead. You feel me? I mean, unless we're gonna do this, I mean, then I'll stay in it. Especially if we crack this 446.33. But look, you got the 120 here, you got VWAP here, bro. It's gonna be hard to crack all this, but if we do, bro, uh, that would be decent. And I mean, look, double top up here, reject, double bottom here. That is the intraday level, 44.7737. And we're cracking it. We're cracking it. We're cracking it. We're cracking it. Right here. What was it? 44.7737 or something. But either way, we just cracked it. And look, the Russell's fading. Look at this. Meta double top and is now fading. Nvidia hit highs and is fading. Again, S&P 500 broke down this double bottom, came down here to this 44.7650s, which also has the 120-day running parallel to it, and put in a decent bounce. Decent little bounce, wicking to the upside, bro. That shit looking crazy right there, like it wants to take off. Let's watch the SPY though. That's what. Okay, so look, now we're breaking down the 446.33 and the 120, and VWAP just slanted down, so we should see a little flush here, at least the VWAP. All right, we've broken down this level intraday, and we're breaking down the 120 right now. All right, and now we're coming down here, and now we're about to break down VWAP. Now we're breaking down VWAP. So we're breaking down a lot of shit here. And now those 446s are back in the money, damn near. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's what I'm saying, bro. They've been liquidity grabbing, right? All day, right? At least 3 or 4 times, right? About the third or fourth time, the market makers and all that know that traders see that and they're onto it by now. So if that's the case, then you would expect for them to do something different this time, right? And I mean, is that what happened? Look, well, they're coming back down here where they grabbed liquidity last time. Look, they did it here at 446. They did it here. And it looks like they're trying to do it again. But now it's almost like an uphill battle because you have an intraday level that should act as resistance now. You got the 120 right here, and you also have VWAP that you're trying to break above. So once we break down all that shit, it's harder to break back above it because you're essentially trying to break through resistance on basically three things. You feel me? Like an intraday level and VWAP and the 120 and the 9 EMA, you're way underneath. That's a lot of shit to try to grind up past, especially when we've dumped like this. Damn, I should have freaking doubled down on those, like I said, huh? If I would have doubled down, I would have been way up. Look, even the 446s are back in the money now. Look. So 3 for 3. All right. All right. See, I'm doing it again. Look, because they're just grabbing liquidity. Look, they're flushing it down and trying to bounce back up. But after a fade like this, I don't think that's not a liquidity grab anymore. We faded too much. I mean, because this wasn't a liquidity grab right here. This was just a dump. The liquidity grabs happen faster. They like go like down like this and then they bounce right back up real quick. This thing's been, they did it here and then they faked it out and then actually broke it back down. Like, see, we're bouncing too much now. And I'm gonna go ahead and ring the register. Fuck. Okay. So even the 446s are in the money. Oh, VWAP slant. As we're bearish, we should flush a little bit more. We should flush a little bit more. We should flush a little bit more. Like, this is bullshit. Like, why did all my price action just stop? See, I had to refresh my screen for me to get the updated candle. Right there, I lost money. Fuck. Like, dude, why can't I just get out down here when I'm, you know what I'm saying? When I'm right. It's like I don't know. It's like once I see that I'm right, I just feel like I'm going to continue to be right. And no one can always be right. Doesn't make sense. It's illogical. So why I keep doing it, I don't know. But again, I have a theory on it. My theory is that I think I need to scale up on my size because what it is like I'm right short term 9 times out of 10, right? But it's just that because I'm not trading with such huge size, I'm looking at the percentage gains and it's not a lot. You feel me? Like a huge amount that make me just say, "Oh shit, that's enough. Let me go ahead and snatch that off the table." I stay in it wanting a little bit more. But I feel like if I go up on my size, you say for instance, and then I fade it from up here, like this fade from here to here with freaking 10 or 20 contracts, that's enough gains. I'm like, oh shit, that's a couple $1,000 or whatever it would be. That's enough to be satisfied on one trade. You feel me? I think that's what's happening. It's just a theory, but at the same time, I'm definitely not rushing to just go up on my size, when I'm not ready for it. You feel me? Because then I won't be able to trade uh logically. Because when you trade with too much size, you're not trading logically, you're trading emotionally because you got too much money on the line. You feel me? That you're really not comfortable losing. And that's the problem with trading with too much size. So I think that's the reason why I'm not taking profits every time I see profits. I think it's because I need to go up on my size, but I'm not in a rush to go up on my size, bro, because I already know what that looks like. Because when I first started trading, I was using way too much size. And as a result of that, for like the first, 6 months or a year when I was actually day trading equity with freaking way too much size for my skill level, basically for that 6 months or a year, I wasn't really learning how to trade. I was just learning how to manage my emotions and also learning how to lose money. You feel me? So that's why I'm not in a rush to go up on size, even though I can. Like, like for instance, earlier, like I had like 4 times the size that I normally trade with. And look, like down here, I was supposed to get out. I'm fucking running my mouth, and this shit's bouncing again and going against me again, bro. Like that's it, dude. I'm out, bro. Let's just see if we reject VWAP real quick. Doesn't look like it. Look down here. Look, my trade worked. I didn't get out. And this is bullish. Look, came down here, bounced, came down here, and again, what's to stop us from bouncing again off this? Running back up to the top of the range right now. Not very much. The only thing uh that could stop us from doing it is we're already extended off the data print. Look at this. This extended us off rip. That's why we faded and then grind it up. But we're already extended here. And that's where we're trading at now. But as we're breaking above VWAP here again, bro, like not thrilled about sitting in this shit. Like if we break above VWAP here, bro, and we don't reject, I'm out. See, we're rejecting off VWAP and the 9 EMA. That's almost like rejecting off 2 resistances. The SQQ and the on Success did go on a little bullish rip, but now they've cooled off. Basically, the inverse of this right here. But what I want to see is the SPY reject. No, it's not going to. Man, bro. I sit there and watch my trades work over and over and don't take profits. Like, fuck this. Dude, I'm out. Fuck it.
Order filled.
See profit, take profit, dog. Look, as soon as I've got out, looks like we're coming up here to reject and dump. Look at that. Let's see if let's see. But fuck it, dog. See profit, take profit. And I really feel like I'm gonna go back to using the adaptive limit orders. I think I'm seeing a little bit too much slippage. As I'm getting out of for these market orders, especially when when you have commissions and shit on top of that. You know what I mean? Like with the commissions, the slippage, we can't be giving up money uh just because. But the problem with that is if you're setting limit orders, look, fuck, man. Like, I don't know. I don't know. It could go either way, but it seems like we're about to dump. Yeah, we're entering power hour now, man. You feel me? I don't have any active trades on. I think I'm actually done for the day, bro. Let's take a look at some of these charts, though, real quick. Look, got out just in time. This thing about to rip. This thing about to rip. What about Meta and Nvidia? Look, Nvidia dumping. I'm curious to see what's gonna happen on that 10 minutes of terror. Look, ooh, damn, son, breaking down VWAP again. What you think about them 446s, dog? Look, 446 down here. Look, I missed the move though. Look, see, there's the move right there. Damn. Oh man, I closed out too fast, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Missed the move, bro. Ooh. Man, you don't know how, like, that pisses me off, bro. But see, look, we're breaking down VWAP and breaking down this level right here. I think we might fade. It's like I'd like to see some confirmation and break down 446. But it's like, you feel me? After you get that confirmation and it's broken down, you've missed the move already. Like up here is where you fade from. Catch all that and get out. Boom. We done cracked a bunch of shit and faded a little bit. But look, if we can come down here and crack this 446, I don't see why we can't at least fade down to like, I doubt we get way down there. I was like 445, 70s. But dog, like, is it? I've overtraded. I mean, I haven't overtraded. I've took the right amount of trades that I like to take. And again, see profit, take profit. Although it looks like something's not right here because I see the S triple cube trying to bounce, Success trying to bounce, but the SPY bouncing as well. So something's lying here. Look at that, dude. Right there, 446 puts. Nah, I ain't trading no more. I'm not over trading, bro. See profit, take profit, baby. That's it. Like, why? Why would I make another trade and risk giving money back? Doesn't make any sense. Although it's looking like we about to dump, bro. It's looking like we about to give all this back. Don't let power hour hit the wrong way, especially that 10 minutes of terror, bro. Let's look. It's a decent, even from here to here, it's a decent little fade. And then if we break down that, I don't see nothing stopping us from going all the way down here. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. Fuck, man. I should have been a little more patient. But nah. See profit, take profit. Can always get back in. Look, anticipate the breakdown of 446. Anticipate the breakdown of 446. Anticipate the breakdown of 446. Anticipate the breakdown of 446 or anticipate the bounce and run up during power hour. Which one is it? I'm going to say anticipate the breakdown of 446. Look, we got the 9 up here, VWAP up here, 120 up here. And that's fine. Like, I want it to bounce up here. But just make sure that it's going to reject. Because this would be your better entry. The higher up, the better. If you're trying to fade, see? You know what I mean? I just don't like success in the S triple Q dumping right now, bro. It could go either way. Oh, thanks for the follow. I'll be doing some gaming too, man. Let me know what games you like to see. Or are you just interested in finance content? I got a lot of finance content on my YouTube channel. Like live trading, and you know what I mean? Like live trading and the price action and the theory and psychology behind it. You feel me? It's going to be way more important and valuable to you than just watching someone's video later telling you what happened. You know what I'm saying? Because if you're taking this serious, you already know what happened. You don't need anyone to tell you that. You feel me? And by the way, well, I'm like right now I'm running a promotion. If you follow me on Rumble or subscribe on YouTube, just comment on one of my videos. Look, 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 we're about to dump. Anticipate the dump or the run up. We still have a choice here. I'm trying to anticipate this 446 crack right here to the downside. I'm just so scared to overtrade right now. But look, looking like it wants to work. Let's see something. Anticipate the breakdown of 446. Should I do it? Or should I just be happy with my gains and walk away for today? $446 puts. They're trading that. Here, I'll show you. Look, the 446 puts expiring tomorrow. Look, July 13th. Uh, they're about $1 right now. And look, here's what the actual contracts look like on the actual chart. I think you can even see some of my buys and my sells. Like there's supposed to be like triangles on here. Like right here, like I bought. I don't know. I have to go back and look at what trades I took. I don't even really remember. I gotta look at my orders. Anticipate the breakdown or be happy? Anticipate the breakdown? Ooh, 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 you seen that? Seen that jerk? Oh, oh, Lord, about to miss it. Look, I was anticipating that.
Order filled.
Like, I missed the move. Well, let's see if we get follow through. I missed it. What am I in right now? All right. All right. Obviously, that was probably a bad trade because really you don't want to be anticipating. I mean, you have to anticipate to to a certain extent, but I mean, there's a fine line between anticipating and waiting for confirmation. The difference is when you anticipate, you're you're going to either get a little better entry or a little worse entry. Look, like just fucking that was such a bad trade I just took, bro. Only because like I took it down here instead of up here. You feel me? Because the trade got executed down here, when it's bouncing up, it's going against me. But if I would have actually put the trade on at the right spot at resistance up here at 446.31, you feel me? Even if we're bouncing up here, I'm still not red on the trade yet. I like this wick, this long ass wick rejected on VWAP. See that slant? See it slants and then price washes out a little bit and then it snaps back up and then we're underneath VWAP. So that's bearish. Because when you're under VWAP, you're bearish, right? And I've taken way too many trades. You can't see the top like of my screen, but it shows you how many trades I've taken and how many orders but I just you can't see it because the top like it's just the way my OBS scene set up. But like right up here it shows you how many trades I've taken. And I've taken a lot. It says 10. I don't even remember taking 10 trades. But no, yeah, because I got freaking quadruple filled on my first order. Luckily, bro, that trade worked out. And This thing's moving against me. That was just some bad execution right there on my part, bro. Because now going into power hour, bro, it's looking like, look, this triple bottom is looking like we're about to rip. We've reclaimed the 9 and VWAP. And we're like steadily trending up, putting in freaking higher lows and higher highs, ripping to the upside. Well, that's why you don't overtrade. Hey, you got success and the S triple Q just dumping. So everything's set up for a bullish run in the power hour right now. I feel like the last hurdle is going to be this 120 right here. See how we wicked to the downside off of it, kind of trying to reject it. That's my last hope right there. That we freaking reject off this thing. I probably would have been better off just flipping long there. But let's see, bro. Let's see if they wash it out. There's a slant. Coming down. Coming down. If we come down here and crack the 9 and VWAP again, bro, I pretty much know I'm straight. We're officially in power hour. Who knows what's gonna happen, but the way I see it is we're already extended off the CPI data to the upside. You feel me? Look, VWAP slant, dumping, keep dumping. Come on, wash all the way out down here, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Look, we rejected off the 120 like I was hoping for, with enough velocity to actually crack the 9 and VWAP. They're trying to buy it, but a new candle is going to open below VWAP and the 9 EMA, which is going to have us see more continuation to the downside, I believe. New candle's about to open right now. That's below the 9 and VWAP and below the previous candle, which is bearish. All right. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. This trade actually might work. It actually might end up working. We're bouncing right now, but look, we got a VWAP and the 9 EMA up here, the 120 above that. God, dude, I've never seen price cross back and forth over VWAP so many times like this without you know what I'm saying? Without basically doing anything. We keep rejecting off VWAP, reclaiming it, rejecting, reclaiming it, but still chopping around, trading sideways. All right, come on. Here's the rejection. Here's the washout. We have to give some of this back, bro. We got to give some of this back. Look at this. Now you got the S triple Q putting in a higher low, reclaiming that level. You got Sox S putting in a higher low, bouncing, trying to reclaim that level. You got Palantir dumping, AMD cooling off, AI kind of cooling off a little bit. Back over here to the SPY. A new candle has just opened below the previous candle, and we've cracked now the 446. So the 446 puts, the ones that I just grabbed, are in the money officially. Can we have some follow through? Look at this. Oof. 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 Boy, they about to fucking pull the rug, son. They're pulling the rug out. They're pulling the rug out. They're pulling the rug out. I told you we got to get that back, bro. We got to get that number print back, bro. We got to give that number print back. We got to give it back, bro. Oh. We don't want to get caught in another liquidity grab. Let me get back to the SPY. Well, definitely ain't trying to get caught on no liquidity grab. See, right now, I feel like I need to go ahead and lock in gains. Look at that, boy. Catching decent fades, boy. Look at this. All right, S&P 500 trying to crack this 44.7265. What level is that? It's a significant level. It's intraday, but it's a real level, and we're cracking it and wicking to the downside. We also have the Russell on the 5-minute cracking VWAP. We also got Meta topped out at 309, bro. I've been saying Meta to 300 for 3 months. If you didn't listen, that's on you. You could have been thousands of dollars richer by just subbing to my shit, bro. You sleep. And I'm giving out the watch list for free right now just for subbing and following. All right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and take profits, bro. Lock in my gains, son. But hold up. Where we at? Hold up. We're at a critical level here. We're at a critical level. Oh, we're cracking it. We cracked the critical level. Oh, what did I say, bruh? The fuck? What did I say, bro? Stop playing with me, bro. All right. I'm just talking shit, dude. It's a numbers game, bro. It just takes time. But guess what I gotta do? See profit, take profit. See profit, take profit. Look, they trying to bounce it. Get me out.
Order filled.
Thank you, sir. Nice doing business with you. All right. Look, just in time, dude. That shit just started bouncing. But I believe we continue to fade. That's a dead cat bounce. That's dead cat, bro. Look at that. They squeezed it down to a doja candle. But, fuck, man. See, I mean, bro, it's like, see profit, take profit. Let your winners run. I mean, it's really, you can't, it can't be like a blanketed type of thing, bro. Like, each situation is unique. You know what I'm saying? But what did I say, bro? Did I call that shit or what, dude? You feel me? But yeah, like go ahead and sub and follow and comment and let me know you subbed so I can shoot you the link to the Discord where that watch list is. I guarantee you if you, bro, look at this. Ooh. See profit, take profit. That's the flip side. I just left a fucking couple, at least a couple $100 on the table just from here to here. Look at this. That's all you need to know right there. S triple Q and stock test ripping to the upside, Palantir dumping, everything dumping. I told you you'd have to give that shit back, boy. Told you. Because it's unnatural, dog. This has whatever Jerome Powell says, yes, it has the power to move the market, but that's all it's doing is moving the market for the time being. Still have to give that shit back, especially when we're extended like this. Man, bro, like why didn't I let that last winner run, bro? Look at this. Like we're just, oh, and you can't even see it. Look at this, bro. Why ain't let my winner run? It's all good, dog. You feel me? I mean, there's still one more opportunity to make some gains here on that 10 minutes of terror. But what you must decide is at 350 flat, based on the price action, will we jerk to the downside or have the inverse 10 minutes of terror and rip to the upside? That is the question. You feel me? That is the question. How long is this stream? 3 hours and 45 minutes. All right, bro. I think that's enough, bro. That's enough, man. But anyways, like I said, go sub, turn on notice, follow. If you want access to the Discord and the daily morning briefing, fire information on there. To, you know what I mean, gives you the runners, any unusually high volume or volatility or options activity. Again, the runners from the previous day and that morning, shit that's hitting the scanners, everything that you need to be successful. And I am giving that away for free right now. But you must go ahead and sub and turn on notice. You feel me? And, if you need a little help, I can teach you how to read price action a little bit, but really, I mean, the only real way you're gonna learn that is screen time, and maybe going back and watching thousands of hours of content of people, you know what I mean, trading, live trading, but actually explaining, like I said, the theory and psychology behind it. But yeah, I'm satisfied with that, bro. Even though I sat here for what, over 3 hours. I mean, at a regular job, how much you make an hour? If you have a good job, you're probably on salary. But you know what I mean? If you're on salary, you're working freaking 50, 60 hours probably. And if you're at a regular job, I mean, what are you making per hour? You know what I'm saying? I don't know, $17, $20 an hour, something like that. All right. So say you make $20 an hour. So for 3 hours, you'd have made $60. Well, I sat here for 3 hours and made damn near 10 times that. So I'm just saying, bro. It's all on you. But shit's not impossible to learn. It just takes time. That's it. And if you're not going to actively trade every day, you at least need to be investing your money, bro. Just invest in index funds, the SPY, the Qs, Apple, Tesla, all the big dogs. Make that half of your investments. The other half should be all dividend plays. You feel me? If you don't want to actively day trade every day. But either way, you need to be investing your money. Because you just have to. Because of inflation. And that's just because of inflation. Not alone if you actually want to create some wealth. You know what I mean? Some generational wealth and investing, you know what I mean? Like, you have to. Unless you plan on winning the lottery. But anyways, man, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Okay. If you learned anything or found any, and look, we're starting to dump a little bit here. But again, I caught that fade there. I ain't worried about it. But again, if you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe or follow. Hit the bell and get the hell over to my Discord so you can grab that daily morning briefing and watch list for free right now. Again, all you have to do is sub and comment that you subbed, or follow and comment that you followed, and I will send you the link to my Discord. Okay? And where the watch list is, it's a private channel. You will have access to that. That way you can get your investing and trading journey on the road here, bro. Or maybe you've already been trading and investing, but having trouble. That watch list might be right what you need. You feel me? But anyways, like I said, if you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of all those things. Hopefully, bro, look at this shit. Look, perfect V right there, bro. Oof, I'm so glad I got out when I did, huh? Holy shit. Jesus. Man. I mean, and my executions were kind of sloppy today for the most part. And was still able to do pretty good. Look at that V shape. But again, if you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button, sub, do all that good stuff, man. Jump on that watch list, bro. It's free. Like, dude, it's free right now, bro. So if you're not going to get that for free, that means you don't want nothing for yourself, dog. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Unless you got your own shit going on, you feel me? Then I understand. Like if you got your own little grind going on, but your own business or something. But even so, you should still be investing your money. You know what I mean? But yeah, if you ain't got none of that going on, bro, and you ain't going and jumping on that watch list, dog, so you can make you some money and learn how to trade and create some wealth, preferably generational wealth. You feel me? Then you don't want nothing for yourself. Pretty much. Well, yeah. Not to like talk shit or anything, but it's more designed to motivate motivate you guys. All right, so go on. Let's jump on this watch list and do all this and start making some money, bro. I'll tell you what long term plays to invest in. Basically, all large caps and dividend plays. That's it. Or index funds. But yeah, man. Again, holla at your boy.